Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution GSR. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Mitsubishi is a great value with less than 29,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.